What's going on, everyone? It is Travis with SES Integration. Hope you are doing well. We are here for another tech tour today. We are actually at Elevation, and we are in the, what campus are we at? Uptown. We're at Uptown Campus. Old warehouse that was in the Uptown area of Charlotte. Beautiful renovation, as you guys can see. We're gonna go into the auditorium, check out some of the tech there, talk about this space, because it's awesome. We have an SD9. We're doing a lot of these elevation build outs, like Elevation Belmont or this Elevation Campus as well. There's a lot of what we call OFE, which is owner furnished equipment. So as they're cycling through inventory and building out new campuses and bringing new technology in, sometimes they're just shifting stuff around. SD9 gets shifted over to here. So does the job great, still has an awesome Digico sound to it. We have, I believe, some custom mill work done, not from Forecast, but I can't remember who it's from. Netgear switches, tie lines over here. We have a Acoustics touchscreen right here to be able to control all of the power for the LEDs, for the lighting rig, bring on all the TVs and all the fun stuff. Some OFE ClearCom. We have some Microflex inside of here. Microflex from Shure. You can use this in a pretty cool space. You can program it actually with Acoustics to, as soon as it comes off of the charging station, it actually goes live. Pretty neat technology there. So we have Grand MA to an older console that they moved over to here. They have repurposed a couple Vericams for inside of here. So these Vericams, I don't know how long that they've had them, but they're doing the job admirably here. Able to connect through multi-dyne fiber backs to connect at video control. Above my head, we have light source fixtures. So we have the RGBW fixtures from Light Source, one of our favorites, manufactured literally 30 minutes down the road. We love the guys at Light Source. If you look on our walls, we have some prefab panels for acoustic treatment from Sound Design. Sound Design is a local supplier for those. They do a great job. Love their work as well. We're just continuing on. You may have noticed as we were walking behind me that there were two layers of PA essentially. So we have a whole delay ring that goes on. The delay ring is comprised of, as I'm looking up at it, we have A15, looks like 2 focus and 4 wides. I could be wrong, it could be 4 focuses and 2 wides. In a room like this where the ceiling is extremely small or low, we have to get creative with some of the sound vision and some of the problem solving of the PA. So the room here sounds fantastic and the PA is great. Behind me for the subs of the PA, we have KS28s. We have 4 KS28s. This room does not suffer for a lack of low end. We have plenty of low end to deal with. The main arrays that we have A15 boxes here for mains and side fills. The top is a focus, the bottom is a wide for both mains and outfills. X12 or an X15, I can't really see it from here. I think it's an X15 for a center hang, center fill. Above us right now, we have megabattens from the Light Source. So it's, again, another clean way that we're able to get good cable management, power management. They look like they've got the Rogue variable wash R2X fixtures up there. The ceiling here is beautiful. So this, like I said, this was an old warehouse. Had to reinforce some of the steel that was in here because it was just not made to be able to handle the weight that a production environment needs, right? So you're gonna see that we have to continue that theme over the stage in just a moment. So we have IMAG LEDs. I believe this is Apson wall. Yes, Apson wall. We have some floor boxes, more Apson LED wall. Oh, right here. So this actually, the Apson LED wall, the center LED, is being hung off of a truss structure. Again, the ceiling couldn't handle a lot of weight in here, so we've got a truss structure, say that 5 times fast, to support it. All right, let us now move back to the central equipment room. We have 3 racks right here to handle all of the tech. So out of this, we're housing all the network stuff, switches, network patch bays, DMX. So we've got a gateway or a node from Pathport right here to feed out all of our streaming ACN, all of our DMX. Then we have an H2 from Novastar wall processor. Continuing down, we have 2 QSC amps for all of the exterior and interior pendant speakers and outdoor speakers. We have an LA12X, LA4X, 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 LA4X. So 4 LA4X and 1 LA12X for the amplifiers for the PA. Coming into rack number 2, we have another switch, more of the network patch bays. We have wireless, so we've got 4 PSM 1000s, that I believe was OFE. We have 8 of the ULX C4, definitely OFE Clearcom. We have an audio patch bay, then we've got the 2 OFE D racks. So moving into video space, we have, here it is, a nice little motion sensor lights. So more network patch bays, switches, open gear frame, moving into Acoustics core. We have 2 cores. We actually have an MV32 and a 110F, an NK routing system from Ross, and Carbonite Ultra. We have an Aja FS4, and then we have some video patch bays for all the tie lines throughout the building. So we always have tie lines at front of house, floor boxes, wall plates, all the different areas. We have typically video ties, network ties, audio ties. So here's the video patch bay for that. Like I said, there's the multi-dyne. Then we have some KVMs, a Grass Valley T2, 2 resis, and battery backup. Looks like we've got battery backups across the whole thing. Let's move into the video control room. We have these custom desks from Forecast that are amazing. They have the LED strips on them, and on top of that, they have Elevation's logo engraved in them, so they light up. Love that. Looks like we've got a Resolume position here. We've got a TD1, TD1C maybe, with a touchscreen for that to run everything. Got another Acoustics panel to be able to turn on all the power, all the lights. There's a lot of stuff you can do from here. You can turn on the TVs, get the control room set, bring audio up and down, all that fun stuff. Then we have resi, network, patch bay, some RCPs, some more fun stuff, tie lines, comm, all that fun stuff. It was a fun project to be a part of. Grateful for our partners at Elevation Church and all the amazing work that they're doing in the Charlotte area. But maybe you are in the market for a new integrator. Maybe you are watching this, you're in a church, you oversee new constructions or whatever it is. We would love to help you navigate that process. Understand that it is an extremely daunting process, whether it's literally out of ground or it is something that is an upfit of sorts. So we would love to help you navigate that process. You can reach out to us by going to our website, sesintegration.com. You can reach out to us there, find our email, submit a form, whatever it is. We'd love to talk with you, help you out. But until then, I hope you guys have a great day.